Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede Signature here again. If this is your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. If you want oldie but a goodie, yes, thank you so much. You know I heart you, I love and appreciate you every single time. Hope you guys stay with me forever. So today's video is really special. It's a collaboration between myself and the ever beautiful mom and lifestyle vlogger Gladys living clutter free. Look, she's amazing. Like, we are doing the same video right now on her channel. If you go to her channel, you're gonna see her do the same video decorating her kids' room, a shared bedroom. So guys, when you're done with this video, make sure you check her out because her content is amazing. You won't regret checking her out. So guys, right now I decorated my kids' room and I have a 2-year-old and a 1-year-old, and this is what their bedroom is looking like as we speak. So if you want to see how I achieved this, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So this is what the empty room looks like before it's gonna be decorated. Do you want to make your bed?
Yes.
Decorate your room? So this bed is amazing because the kids can easily get on and get off the bed without needing our help. They are amazing because even if they sleep and fall off that bed, they're not gonna have any kind of injury. So it's really safe and nice, and it's sturdy because you can see Jay jumping. I got that bed from Facebook Market, and I think it's from IKEA according to the seller. And now you can see my sister-in-law doing her amazing job that she does every single day, clean and rearrange the kids' bedroom. Right now, the kids are helping out to vacuum the room because they just don't want to let me do it by myself. So we're gonna do it together. Teamwork makes dream work. I'm just hanging similar decorations on Jaden's side just so it looks kind of symmetrical. That's what I'm going for. It's time to decorate the entryway. Yes, their room has an entryway, right? This is right by the door, and we just want it to look nice, chic, and sassy. At this point, I was thinking to leave it like this, but it didn't look good, so I just went ahead and put it, the star decoration. I don't know if that's the star or what. Yes, so, yep. So on Daniela's side, we're putting her little baby chair and her kitchen that she loves using a lot. According to her, she cooks a lot, so she loves her kitchen being there. On Jaden's side, we're just gonna go ahead and put this nice table. It sinks. He sits there. Even Daniela uses it too very often. So, and on the side of their bed, we are gonna put their nice table. I would say it's a side table, and that's a box that contains their books that they love to read. Again, my sister-in-law is helping me out right now to make up their beds, and I'm making Daniela's side while she's making her favorite Jay side. So yes, that's what we're doing right now. In case you're wondering what Jay is doing, he's actually listening. He's actually singing Please and Thank You by Coco Melon. So this is pretty much the end of the room. Right now, I'm just going to take you guys around the room to show you each and everything that we put in the room and maybe why, if we have a reason for it. So this egg decor is two. We have the blue, I don't know if that's green or blue, and the pink one. The blue one, of course, represents Jaden, and the pink one represents Daniela. We have the camera right there, and we have the lullaby radio, is that what it is called? And of course the star and the 10 commandments for kids. Look guys, this is my favorite item in this room, the 10 commandments for kids. You should get yourself one. It is amazing. I love it so much. The commandments that are reading there are awesome. And you could create one, but when I saw this one, it was pretty much all I wanted. And of course, we had the rainbow. Coming over to this little nice side of Daniela, we have her kitchen and her teapot. Or her kettle, sorry, not teapot, Lord. We have her pretty little chair that she loves and her pillow, and she calls it her princess spot. She loves this spot, especially that pillow. She says she's a princess, so she loves that pillow. And on this side, we have Daniela's pillows, her glitter pillows, the pink and the silver pillow. And we have her two Minnie Mouse, the mother and the baby Minnie Mouse, and her little pinky teddy bear. And on the wall, we have this nice pink decorative DIY I made. I bought that without the glitter, but I personally put the glitter on it. This wall art I got from Ross, and the other wall art I got from Burlington. I'm talking about the pink one on this side. I got it from Burlington, but the star art, I think I got it from Ross. And coming to this side, you can see that we have these two tables that I DIY. They were, the legs were brown. I actually spray painted them and it turned that color. I spray painted them white. And on Daniela's side, she has some of her books that she loves for us to read to her. And on Jaden's side, he has the books that he loves for us to read. Even though when we read the books, both of them listen, but yeah, pretty much we just separated the books, but most times both books are what both of them like. On Jaden's bed, we have his pretty blue and silver little pillows too, his accent pillows, and they are so beautiful. I love these pillows. You guys know anything glitter I love. The little monkey there, the Christmas monkey, and his Be My Valentine that was given to him by grandma. And also we have this wall art. It's kind of green, pink or something. I really do not have a lot of blue. I pretty much shopped my home because these were decor that were in my home already. So I shopped my home to decorate their room. I didn't go to like actually shop for them, except the entryway decor. Yes, so that's their bed. As I said earlier, I went for that bed because it's very easy for them to climb and get off. As for this PlayStation right here, it's very nice and educative. We use it to teach the kids on how to do their ABCs. It talks, it sings, it teaches them songs and teaches them ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. So we love it. I got this from Amazon. That's where I got this from. So you can get it from Amazon. It's really worth it. This is really worth the money. Go get this for your kids. Moving into the kids closet, this is what it looks like. On the far left you have Daniela. On the middle, in the middle you have Jay, and on the far right you have both their jackets. We have purged a lot because when we moved from Maryland to here, they actually grew out of a lot of their clothes. So the clothes are just sitting in a box somewhere, like the clothes that don't fit them anymore. So yes, on the first drawer we have their jeans or pants. On the second drawer we have Daniela's clothes. You know, Daniela is a pinky girl. Like, she's all about pink in her life. And on the third drawer we have Jaden's clothes. And he is a no color guy. He doesn't care. He just wears whatever you give him, pink, blue, green, purple. He doesn't care. Maybe he's still young, but yes. Daniela is a pink lady. Down there we have their shoes. Here we have their trash. Not trash. We have their dirty clothes. And in these two boxes, which were actually for Daniela back then, we are storing their clothes that they're not using anymore. Up here we have some extra stuff. Jay's cap, blankets that they were using when they were younger. And that is the end of this room decoration. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy the video. Like, share, and subscribe, and always come back for more. Thank you.